Hi there. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story music not working. A lot of Instagram users do face this issue. So there are a few methods that you can try in order to resolve this issue. So let's go to the first method. The first thing you need to do is to go to your app store and search for Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If it's not, it's gonna show you in here that you need to update it. So update it and go back to Instagram and see if the issue has been resolved. If not, go to your Instagram account, click on the three lines, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Here, click on Business Tools and Controls. Once you do, you will need to switch your account type. So if it's a personal account, switch it to a business account. If it's a business account, switch it to a personal account and go back to your profile and switch it back to whatever you prefer. This might resolve the issue for you. But if it doesn't, the only thing that you can still do is go to Instagram and go to help. Basically, you will need to report this issue to Instagram so they can take care of it. So you will need to describe the issue that you are facing and then send it to Instagram support team and they will get back to you.